Content in this video is for informational and educational purposes only and is in no way providing any form of advice. Always do your own research. Now, let's get into AI's prediction of Bitcoin and Ethereum's dominance over the next 5 years, which provides insight that you may not have considered before. GPT predicts that Bitcoin and Ethereum will likely face challenges from Layer 2 scaling solutions like Optimism, Arbitrum, and ZK rollups, which could significantly improve transaction throughput and lower fees. These solutions have the potential to reshape the way decentralized applications are built, making the underlying platform less critical and potentially diminishing Ethereum's dominance in the space. We think that while Layer 2 scaling solutions may render the Bitcoin blockchain less cutting edge, we believe Bitcoin will maintain its iconic status in the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin's unique tokenomics, featuring a hard cap of 21 million tokens, positions it as a store of value that appeals to institutional investors seeking safer digital assets. Given its history of being the largest crypto by market cap since its inception in 2009, it seems improbable that Bitcoin will lose its crown in the foreseeable future. We believe that, over the next 5 years, although Ethereum may not be the most actively used blockchain itself, it is likely to host the most utilized blockchain platforms. Ethereum already supports numerous cryptocurrencies built on its protocol, including prominent projects like Chainlink and the DAI stablecoin, as well as thousands of decentralized applications. Now, let's move on to another aspect of the crypto industry that might gain more attention in the future. ChatGPT predicts that privacy-focused cryptocurrencies could play a significant role. AI anticipates cryptocurrencies such as Monero and Zcash gaining traction in the face of increasing surveillance and privacy concerns. As people become more aware of the importance of financial privacy, these cryptocurrencies might carve out a significant niche in the market. We concur with the AI's assessment regarding the significance of privacy-focused cryptocurrencies like Monero and Zcash. The need for anonymity in the crypto landscape cannot be emphasized enough. While blockchain transactions are currently pseudo-anonymous, with public wallet addresses visible but their owners undisclosed, many influencers' wallets are actively tracked by observers. The future prominence of privacy-centric cryptocurrencies remains a topic of debate, but their potential to address growing privacy concerns should not be underestimated. With privacy-focused cryptocurrencies making their mark, let's shift our attention to another game-changer in the crypto space. ChatGPT suggests that central bank digital currencies could have a substantial impact on the industry. Let's explore the reasons behind this prediction. The AI foresees CBDCs playing a pivotal role in the adoption of decentralized cryptocurrencies as governments and central banks explore the development of their own digital currencies, while CBDCs might introduce people to digital currencies, making them more receptive to decentralized options. They could also compete with cryptocurrencies for certain use cases. The actual outcome will depend on government regulations, market dynamics, and public perception. We believe that central bank digital currencies will ultimately play a significant role in the financial landscape as they gradually gain mainstream acceptance. However, concerns about centralization and control in CBDCs could simultaneously drive increased interest in decentralized cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. A relevant analogy could be the heightened adoption of Bitcoin during financial instability, such as when banks like Silicon Valley Bank filed for bankruptcy. In such cases, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies becomes even more appealing to those seeking alternatives to traditional financial systems. Now, let's turn our focus to another rapidly evolving aspect of the crypto world: NFTs. ChatGPT predicts that the tokenization of real-world assets using NFTs will extend beyond digital art and collectibles. NFTs have the potential to reshape industries by enabling the tokenization of real-world assets, such as intellectual property rights, licensing, and even fractional ownership of physical assets. This transformation could create new markets and investment opportunities, making previously inaccessible assets available to a broader range of investors. We agree with the AI's perspective on NFTs and have already observed real-world examples that support its predictions, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club intellectual property rights being leveraged to open restaurants. Additionally, major institutions like the California DMV are exploring the issuance of titles as NFTs. We firmly believe that the technology underpinning non-fungible tokens will undoubtedly extend beyond the realm of digital collectibles, finding innovative applications across various industries and use cases. ChatGPT also highlights the rise of decentralized autonomous organizations and their potential to redefine corporate governance and decision-making. DAOs enable community-driven projects, allowing individuals to have a direct say in the management and direction of these organizations. This new approach to governance could lead to more transparent, inclusive, and efficient decision-making processes, ultimately transforming the way organizations are managed. We concur that the concept of decentralized autonomous organizations is not entirely new, as it bears similarities to stock ownership in publicly traded companies, where voting power is determined by the percentage of outstanding shares owned. However, traditional methods of holding shareholder votes, such as paper ballots, can be slow and exceedingly expensive. As blockchain technology continues to advance and becomes more accessible, we anticipate that the implementation of DAOs will become increasingly efficient and cost-effective, further driving the adoption of this innovative governance model. As we wrap up our exploration of ChatGPT's predictions, let's discuss one final intriguing aspect of the crypto landscape: the concept of programmable money. ChatGPT believes this idea will gain traction as smart contracts become more sophisticated and user-friendly. As smart contracts become more advanced and accessible, they have the potential to disrupt traditional financial services such as lending, insurance, and asset management. This development could lead to more efficient, transparent, and customizable financial products, opening up new opportunities and business models in the financial sector. Once again, the AI's insights on smart contracts align with our perspective. The significance of smart contracts in the world of finance cannot be overstated. For instance, consider our video on blockchain bonds, which showcases just one of the many ways smart contracts are poised to revolutionize traditional financial sectors. As these technologies mature and gain adoption, we expect to witness even more transformative applications emerge in various industries. In conclusion, the world of blockchain technology is rapidly evolving, and only time will tell if ChatGPT's predictions come into fruition. We've noted that ChatGPT highlighted some key trends we've already been observing and used that information to make its predictions. Do you agree with the AI's vision? Let us know if you disagree with anything mentioned in this video. If you enjoyed this content, we highly recommend you check out our video where we utilize ChatGPT to create a bulletproof portfolio with many interesting picks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts on these trends in the comments below.